How to grow cactus from seed. Raising prickly plants from seed is basic and fulfilling. You will need 1 cacti seed. Friends, if you want to buy cacti seeds at a very cheap price, in this video description, you will get a link. Click this link and buy your favorite seeds at a very cheap price. 2 small plastic and earthenware pots. 3 free depleting fertilizer or cactus compost. 4 vermiculite or fine coarseness. 5 sheet of glass. 6 fork or spoon. 7 tweezers. 8 gravel. Stage 1. Fill a pot with a clammy, dirty, soil-based fertilizer, or desert plants compost. Tenderly firm down and level the surface. Diffuse your blended cactus seeds over the surface, taking consideration not to sow them too thickly. Stage 2. Tenderly sprinkle a thin layer of vermiculite or fine coarseness over the seeds, covering the entire surface of the fertilizer. Leave the pot in a nursery or on a warm windowsill, secured with an unmistakable plastic sack to save soil dampness. Stage 3. Seedlings will create inside half a month. Expel the plastic pack and water when the manure ends up dry, yet shower the surface with water routinely, to keep it soggy. Stage 4. The accompanying spring, your seedlings ought to be prepared to transplant. Utilize a fork or spoon to delicately coax out individual desert plants, taking consideration not to get the spikes on your skin. Stage 5. Part fill a little pot with dirty manure and tenderly slide the cactus seedling into put. Utilize tweezers to guarantee the seedling isn't sitting at an edge. Stage 6. Fill around the seedling with manure and water well. Include more manure if important, and after that utilization the spoon to orchestrate rock around the seedling. Keep in a radiant spot, for example, a windowsill, and pot on this and when you have to,